In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to turn your messy notes into clear, organized summaries. I'll start by clicking into the search bar and typing a prompt to summarize some meeting notes into 3 key takeaways and a list of action items. The AI identifies the November 12th launch date and clearly outlines the responsibilities for Sarah and Mark, such as finalizing the landing page and conducting QA testing. This turns a simple paragraph into a functional task list that helps keep the team accountable for their upcoming deadlines. Now let's look at how this works with more complex academic content. I'm typing a prompt to request a structured executive summary for some lecture notes about photosynthesis, specifically asking for headings like main themes and critical concepts. Perplexity organizes the biological stages of photosynthesis into a professional guide, explaining how light-dependent reactions capture energy while the Calvin cycle produces glucose. It successfully highlights the roles of chlorophyll and the stroma, making complex scientific information much easier to digest and review for an exam. This is a powerful way to save time and ensure you never miss a critical detail from your study notes or meetings. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials